Welcome to this video lecture based on uses of articles. So we in the previous two lectures on this topic we studied 9 uses of article the. From 10 we will study in this lecture the directions. So article the is used before the word that show direction. For example, the sun rises in the east. So here east shows direction. So before east article the has been used. The sun sets in the west. West indicates a direction. That's why before it article the has been used. So the east, the west, the north, the south. So before the names of directions we have to use article the. Next, names of unique things as the sun, the moon, etc. So if something is unique, only one of its kind in the universe, so we use article the before that. For example, the sun and the moon are lamps of heaven. The earth revolves around the sun. So before earth, sun, moon we have used article the because they are unique things. Names of parts of the body in place of possessive adjectives. So if there is names of parts of the body and before that possessive adjectives have not been used, so we have to use article the. If possessive adjectives has been used, so we can't use article the. For example, make him stand by the ear. If you use here before ear any possessive adjective, then the cannot be used. If possessive adjective has not been used, so we have to use article the before any part of the body. He struck me on the head. If I write here my head, so the will not be used. If I don't write any possessive, so article the has been used. Next, titles. Akbar the Great was loved by his subjects. Alexander the Great conquered the whole world. So if someone has been given a title, very famous title, so before that title we can use article the. Just like Akbar was given the title of great, that's why the great we say. Alexander was given the title of great, that's why we write the great. Alexander the Great, Akbar the Great. Next point, comparative degree of adjective when there is sense of proportion. The deeper the well, the cooler the water. The more one has, the more one wants. So whenever there are two comparative degrees and they are used in two clauses in a sentence, in the construction of sentences like this, so we have to use article the before both the comparative degree. Just like the deeper the well, the cooler the water. The more one has, the more one wants. Thank you so much for watching this video.